I made this yummy New York strip with this chicken on an iron skillet. I have heard all kinds of things about iron skillets, especially that they make yummy, yummy, yummy food. I've heard something about seasoning it, and I don't know what that means. Coating it, maybe with butter, I think. I don't know. I've also heard that you should not scrub it. I have one friend who only cleans it with water. I have no idea how she does that. I also hear that you shouldn't use soap on it because iron skillets are porous and the soap will seep into the pores. And then when we cook, the soap will seep into our food and then we eat the soap. I am so lost when it comes to how to maintain a really nice iron skillet. Another thing is, should I cool it down with water? Should I not cool it down with water? Should I wait? If I wait, won't the burnt just really settle in and be even harder to get out? Is that gonna come off with water? I don't think so. Let me show you what my cleaning instinct is. Some hot water, some soap, and a little soaky. Right? That makes total sense to me. Let it sit and soak and then scrub it later. How is that not the right thing to do? I won't clean that thing till tomorrow. I'm gonna let it soak overnight. Meanwhile, you guys need to help me. You already saw this video where I posted yesterday about cleaning the air fryer and now the skillet. My question is, how in the world am I supposed to get this clean? I'm gonna need your help. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ro, and I am on the carnivore journey with 1,000 of my closest friends. They are really helping me get through this experience. So if you're looking for somewhere to lean on for support for your health journey, we would love for you to join us. We're carnivores, but it doesn't matter what you are. If you think we can support you, then we will support each other. So subscribe and join us. Go to the comments, let us know you're here, and let us know what your goals are. What are you trying to achieve? I'm really glad you're here. Iron Skillet 101. I need you guys to tell me everything that I need to know on how to maintain an iron skillet. Because if it gets too disgusting, I'm gonna throw it out with the air fryer. Okay? Guys, if you can help me, I would really appreciate it. Let's meet at the comments. I'll see you on the inside.